Pandan leaf, also called screwpine leaf, is quite popular in Southeast Asia for culinary purposes because of its strong and sweet aroma, which can enhance people's appetite and enrich food flavor. Pandan leaves are often needed to make daily and traditional food. It can also be used for scents and colors to make cakes, sweet rice, and even drinks. Few people know that pandan leaf is not only used for cooking. The following healthy channel provides health benefits of pandan leaves. Helps reduce blood pressure. Based on traditional recipes, drinking a potion of pandan leaves twice a day helps in lowering symptoms of high blood pressure, such as dizziness and tiredness. Help control blood sugar. Drinking pandan leaf extract can help reduce plasma glucose levels. This implies that people with diabetes can benefit from pandan leaf tea extract. According to research conducted by Chiabchilert and Nurin, extracts from pandan leaves can induce insulin production in mouse pancreatic cells. Further research is needed to use it in general medicine. Excellent remedy for pains and cramps. Pandan leaves have been traditionally used for pain relief. Stomach cramps can be effectively treated with pandan leaves owing to their laxative properties. Applying pandan leaves soaked in heated coconut oil can provide relief to arthritis patients. Acts as a natural mosquito repellent. Rubbing extract of pandan leaves on body skin that is exposed will keep mosquitoes away. This is an excellent natural repellent for mosquitoes which can cause several diseases, especially during monsoons. Rich and nourishing essential oils. Pandan leaves contain essential natural oils such as glycidudes, alkaloids, traces of tannin and isoprene esters. These can work wonders in boosting your overall health. Helpful in gout. Drinking boiled pandan leaf water is known to reduce uric acid levels in the body and can help deal with gout. Drinking pandan leaf boiled water at regular intervals can also help you get rid of kidney stones. Natural repellent for cockroaches. Pandan leaves when soaked in water and used as a spray can act as a natural and safe cockroach repellent. It is safer than using the store-bought chemical repellents and can help you get rid of these infection-spreading scary roaches effectively. Anti-carcinogenic properties. Pandan leaf tea prevents cancer cells from growing and acts as a barrier to harmful effects of toxins. It is believed that pandan leaf tea when consumed regularly can also help to heal some cancers when used along with regular therapy. Used for skin and hair health. Pandan leaves can help you get rid of dandruff and cover your grays. Rubbing a paste of pandan leaves soaked in water can effectively treat skin problems, making it glow and shine. Boost your appetite. Pandan leaves can also be used to boost appetite if you do not feel like eating or have just recovered from an illness and have an aversion to food. Reducing fever. Fever is usually a sign that the body is fighting infection. Someone with fever will experience an increase in body temperature, causing discomfort. To reduce fever, you can boil the pandan leaves and drink the water. After that, your body heat will come down slowly. Enhancing stamina. Consuming pandan leaves are also useful to keep the body to always stay fit and energetic throughout the day. Boil 5 pandan leaves with 3 glasses of water, remove after boiling, let stand until cool, add lemon water, then drink every 2 days. If this done regularly, it could boost the benefit of pandan leaves for our health. Overcoming impotence. Pandan leaves could also provide health benefits for married couple, especially men. Pandan leaves are effective to treat impotence in men. Take 3 pieces of fragrant pandan leaves, wash and cut into small pieces. Boil with 4 cups of water until the water boils down to only 2 cups. Drink the concoction twice a day, every morning and evening, each 1 cup every time drinking. Do it regularly. Suppressing anxiety. Health benefits of pandan leaves can also be implemented to treat anxiety. Someone often experience anxiety when gets into trouble or face problem. If you experience this, take 2 pieces of pandan leaves, then wash and slice it thinly. Brew the leaves with a glass of boiling water. Once cool, strain the water and drink at once. Do it 2 or 3 times a day until you feel better. Relieve rheumatism. Rheumatism is a disease that causes pain due to muscles or joints that experience inflammation and swelling. This disease can be caused by eating foods that contain high purine such as spinach, clams, anchovies, red meat, drink alcohol, bathing late at night, and dehydration. Age is also often the cause of rheumatic diseases. People in the past used pandan leaves to cope with rheumatism. The steps are to take 3 pieces of fresh pandan leaves, wash and then cut into pieces. Brewed with half a cup of coconut oil that has been boiled and stir it until evenly distributed. Once cool, use as a liniment to massage the affected area. The most important point to know is that pandan leaves have not been reported to have any side effects. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have a concern on others' health, share this video on your social media.